Hot buns take 5?
20. I don't know anymore.
Take a million.
6,000. 844.
844? Okay, we can go with 844.
Just on it. Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Couch is moving.
You're all I ever needed.
No, Journey.
So tell me what to do now, 'cause
I want you back.
Oh.
Fuzzy. Ooh.
Sure.
Fuzzy. Ooh. I can't get the timing right.
It's so funny. Oh.
I gotta be like Harry Potter. He's like fuzzy. Ooh.
Yeah, you gotta do it in front of me, then I won't like laugh whenever you do it.
Doesn't he like come up a few seconds before and kind of look around and he starts doing it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta do that. I remember.
And then what does he do after he's like, whenever we do the emo?
He's like, Harry Potter, I'm Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Fuzzy, I am fuzzy.
There we go. That's cool.
I'm fuzzy. Woo. You're still recording this, aren't you?
Don't look at me.
Don't stop. Shh.
Thinking about tomorrow.
My shame. I don't deserve your kindness.
La loca be crazy. Oh,
I don't deserve your door. Peanut soup.
Fuzzy. Ooh. Fuzzy. Ooh.
Tacos. Taco.
Yummy.
I made you laugh.
Yeah.
Haha. I'm the master of ugly, of disguise and emotionless. Emonology? That's new.
Emonology. I think I have to put that one in my dictionary.
What do you think of it?
Study of emo.
The study of emo. Wow.
Study of emo.
Wow.
I'm an emologist. Emologist.
Emos for the last century. And let me tell ya, it's great research.
Do you cut yourself? Do you pull out your handy dandy thing out of your bra? She'll make it. She'll make it.
I don't have it in my bra.
Oh, it wasn't in your trusty bra? Oh, faithfulness? Nice.
Pull out your handy dandy.
Handy dandy. I just thought of something. Oh my god.
Oh boy.
Oh, what if Steve was emo?
I think deep down inside he really is emo.
Nice.
I think we should put like a segment.
All that children.